long lasting. What are the characteristics? First of all, plastics are very lightweighted. Okay, it is not having any weight, so it is very easy to transport. Next is plastics are very strong and durable, means when once we are making it, work for a long time. Very tough they are. Insulating property, they do not conduct electricity. They are non-reactive, they do not react with any organic matter or any acid or solvent. Appearance and workability, but it looks good and it can be made given any shape and any color. Plastics are cheaper as compared to the metal, so it is being preferred. Okay, next are plastics and environment. But plastics are made up from, there are two type of material, but biodegradable material and non biodegradable material. But biodegradable materials are those material which can be easily decomposed by the microorganism, and non biodegradable which cannot be decomposed by the microorganism, which can be decomposed by the microorganism, like leftover food, paper, cotton. Okay, plastic, aluminum cans, they are non biodegradable material. Okay, so but plastics are the non biodegradable material. We are using the shopping bags which are made from the plastic for carrying the goods. Okay, so oftenly it is being disposed here and there, causing soil pollution, blockage in the drains or sewerage line. Whenever it is being engulfed by the animals, it is choking, and the death of animals can be there. Okay, so animals can die with this. Reduce or percolation of water, means it is does not allow this water to go into the seep into the underground soil. Okay, next is how we can minimize the damage to the environment by the plastic. So what we have to do, we should avoid things made from plastic if you can. Okay, we should use the bags like jute, cotton, which can be used again and again. We should recycle the plastic like thermoplastics, which can be remolded. We should not throw the plastic in the water bodies or in open. We should use 4 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. Reduce means we should reduce the plastic waste. Reuse, we should reuse the plastic waste again and again. We should use, like bottles, like cold drink bottles can be used for water filling. Recycle, we should send it for again for recycling. Recover, what thing is being done, we should recover from it. Okay, we should reduce the amount of waste produced. Okay bache, now these are the question which you will attempt, which you have to see from the previous one. With this your chapter is ended, and further I will tell you the, I will send you the question answers and back exercise. Okay, thank you.